Well, hi everybody. Good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. The first immediate issue this morning that it is a little on the foggy side this morning for southeastern areas, especially those southern tier counties of Nebraska, southeast of the Tri-Cities, from really Nuckolls County east all the way through Gage County. Some pretty thick fog, and some of that extends down into Kansas, Jewell County, all the way east to Washington and Marshall County, Kansas, dealing with some of those thicker areas of fog this morning. The rest of us are fairly clear and sunny to begin our day. There are also a few extra clouds in the far southeast and back to the northwest. Winds should stay relatively light today, and today should be the warmest day most of us will see. Now, there is a trough, kind of a dividing line, dividing more of a southerly wind for many of us, with more of a northerly direction to the wind out west and up to the north. Now, late in the afternoon and into the evening, there could be a couple of hit or miss showers in northern Nebraska. The chance will get better after midnight tonight behind a cold front that passes through, more associated with this area of low pressure on the backside of this. So scattered showers are possible late night and into tomorrow morning. Your best bet is going to be near and north of Interstate 80, which is a small chance to the south of Interstate 80. But again, continuing through tomorrow morning before letting up tomorrow afternoon. Now, tomorrow afternoon, this model does show a couple of showers lingering into the afternoon hours. Most models do not, so I would put that no higher than a 20% chance. And I'll go back real quick here. You'll also notice behind that front, winds out of the north will pick up in speed up there around 15 to 20 miles per hour through much of the day tomorrow. So it will be rather breezy, a little cooler, not chilly, but just a little bit cooler on your Thursday. How about temperatures today, though, ahead of that front, well into the 70s, mid and upper 70s, and perhaps near 80 degrees in McCook. You can see the signs of that cooler air off to our northwest that'll come in for tomorrow. Tonight, upper 40s and lower 50s for most of us, so a milder night ahead of us. And then tomorrow's temperature is just a little bit of a step down, but still for most of us above average. Upper 60s and lower 70s. That breezy north wind will come along with it. So still not a terrible day, but the wind will be a little on the strong side. The colder air really starts to establish itself on Thursday night. We'll be back down in the 40s for overnight lows, so not quite as warm as those warmer 50s tonight. And then Friday, some places still a little coolish, especially off to the northeast in the 60s. Many of us still making the 70s, in fact, maybe even near 80 in the far southwest. But another cold front looks to come through Friday night. That's actually going to drop us off quite a bit heading into our upcoming weekend, which I'll show you in just a bit. So looking at your forecast for today, again, upper 70s, then lower 70s for the Tri-Cities the next couple of days. That chance of rain well after midnight tonight through tomorrow about noon or so, at about a 50-50 chance of rain, mainly GI and Kearney. Hastings probably wouldn't put that chance any higher than a 20 or 30% chance. Just a small chance of rain during the day Friday, but after 7 o'clock, the chance of rain gets a little bit better Friday evening. Perhaps a few thunderstorms, small chance of severe weather. Right now, I don't expect much severe weather. That could continue through the very early morning hours of Saturday prior to sunrise, but your Saturday looks dry with mostly sunny skies. Much cooler, a high around 60, and it's going to be rather windy as well. We're talking about sustained winds up around 30 miles per hour. Gusts could make their way up around 40 miles per hour. So combine that with the cooler day, and it won't be an overly pleasant day for your Saturday if you have plans. So you may want that's jacket weather for your Saturday. Sunday looks a little bit better as a warm front brings in some slightly warmer air. There's a small chance of rain prior to sunrise Sunday, so late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. And then a better chance will come in Sunday evening into Sunday night. Sunday evening chance isn't great. Sunday night's chance looks better late night. Most of your Monday looks dry. Small chance of rain in the morning. Cooler, breezy conditions on Monday. A high in the 50s. Mid and upper 50s, and then the chance of rain really picks up Monday night, especially late night Monday night, and into Tuesday throughout the day. There will be a chance of some scattered chilly showers. I'm going upper 40s. I know there are a lot of forecasts that are still showing 50s, but I think we will be struggling to get to 50, and in fact, I think some might struggle into the 40s on Tuesday. I would not be surprised if that forecast for Tuesday is much cooler than that 48 I have right there. It does not look like a pleasant day. It's going to be a chilly, raw day, breezy, and if it's cold enough, especially getting towards Tuesday night before the rain wraps up, there is the chance of some snow mixing in out west. The chance is fairly low, though, around the Tri-Cities area. But out west, that final day of April heading into May 1st, watch to see if maybe there isn't some snow thrown into the forecast, especially out towards the west here. It's not going to be real nice to wrap up the month of April. Now, Temperatures may recover a little bit for May 1st, getting us back into the 50s, and then a little bit warmer yet heading into the 2nd and 3rd of May. So you can see that big dip in temperatures. It's going to be a little bit of a shock compared to what we get used to this time of the year. It's certainly going to be unseasonably cool for that final day of April. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. Until tomorrow morning, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Enjoy the warmth. Like I said, today, the warmest day of the next 7 to 10 days. Take care. God bless. Bye.